Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have discussed about density of unit cell, and we have solved numerical based on that formula d equal to z into m upon a cube na. Now today we will discuss about packing efficiency of unit cell. Packing efficiency of unit cell. You can understand packing efficiency by reading this definition. The percentage of space occupied by the particles is called packing efficiency. The percentage of total space occupied by the particles is called packing efficiency. If 100 seats are available in a class, and if 68 seats are occupied by students, then packing efficiency will be 68%. Now you can understand that the total space of unit cell occupied by particles is called packing efficiency. Now the formula to calculate packing efficiency is total volume of particles. Volume of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Now you know very well that if the unit cell is FCC, then number of particles will be 4. And if unit cell is BCC, then number of particles will be 2. And if simple cubic unit cell is given to you, then number of particles will be 1. We know that volume of sphere can be calculated by this formula, 4 by 3 pi r cube. In this, it is assumed that particle is taken as sphere. Volume of sphere can be calculated by 4 by 3 pi r cube. Now we will calculate packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell, that is primitive unit cell. Packing efficiency of simple cubic or primitive unit cell. And you know very well that the simple cubic or primitive unit cell contains particles only at the corners. Particles are present only at corners in primitive unit cell. Now see this diagram, in which the particles are present only at the corners, and the sphere, the periphery of the particles are touching each other. The periphery of particles are touching each other, and it is assumed that the edge length of unit cell is A. So let edge length be A. The volume of unit cell can be calculated as A cube. Now we can see that A equals to 2R. You can see here that this edge represents A, and we can see clearly that 1R is here and 1R is here. So A equals to 2R. So volume of unit cell can be calculated as A cube 2R cube equals to 8R cube. So volume of simple cubic unit cell can be given as 8R cube. We know that volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Total number of particles in simple cubic unit cell is 1. We know that total number of particles in simple cubic unit cell is 1. So total volume will be 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. If particle is 1, then total volume will be 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. If body centered unit cell is given to you, then total volume will be 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, and If face centered unit cell is given to you, then it will be 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube depending on number of particles. Now we can calculate packing efficiency by using this formula, that total volume of particles divided by total volume of unit cell multiplied by 100. Now we know that total volume of particle is 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of unit cell is 8 r cube. So we place the values here, 1 into 4 by 3 pi r cube upon 8 r cube multiplied by 100. We will get 52.4%. Now we can say that the volume of the packing efficiency of simple cubic unit cell is 52.4%. Thank you.